Hey everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the hang and restart problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A33 and A33 5G. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now if in your device you are having the issue like your device hangs or restarts automatically, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the hang and restart problem in your device Samsung Galaxy A33. Let's watch the video.